Hey guys, my name is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to unclog a toilet without a plunger. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know and provide a step-by-step process to help you fix a clogged toilet, so make sure you stick around for that. First, what you're going to need. Though there are different methods and tricks that you can use to unclog your toilet, you want to make sure that you have a wire clothes hanger, toilet brush, liquid dish soap, vinegar, baking soda, or bath bombs. However, you can always play around with a few pieces of equipment that you have and determine the best course of action. Now, the following are ways that you can unclog the toilet without a plunger. Use liquid dish soap. Liquid dish soap will unclog your toilet by lubricating the clogged pipe to help the lodged debris to go down the drain easily. To unclog your toilet, pour half a cup of liquid dish soap into your toilet. This slippery substance will have worked its magic by cleaning your clogged toilet pipe within a few minutes to an hour. However, if you're out of liquid dishwash, you can cut a hand soap bar into small pieces and drop the chunks in your toilet bowl. These small chunks of soap will dissolve in water and work out the same magic the liquid dish could have done to your clogged toilet. Use hot water. Hot water is a good alternative to liquid dish soap when not much liquid is left in your toilet bowl. To unclog your toilet using hot water, take a bucket full of hot water and pour it into the toilet. You should not use boiling water, as it could crack the porcelain toilet. Additionally, you should pour the water from a waist level to give the water a force that should help dislodge anything causing the clog. Use vinegar and baking soda. Using a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to unclog your toilet is a trick that's proven to be effective. Pour a cup of baking soda alone into the toilet. Then gently pour 2 cups of vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for at least 20 minutes to half an hour. This mixture works by clearing lodged debris in your toilet pipe. Use a toilet brush. A toilet brush is a good plunger alternative that will rescue you if your toilet is clogged. Essentially, unclogging your toilet using a toilet brush will follow the same steps as when you're using a plunger. You will dive deep into the toilet bowl and keep thrusting the draining hole while tossing the brush. This will push whatever is clogging your toilet down the drain. However, this alternative of unclogging your toilet might be messy, and you will have to clean up the mess afterward. Use bath bombs. Epsom salts and bath bombs could save you when your toilet's clogged. All you have to do is place either Epsom salts or bath bombs in the toilet bowl and let it fizz. That fizziness will play its magic by clearing your toilet pipe from any clogs and debris. Use a wire clothes hanger to DIY a toilet drain snake. This closet tool can be your saving grace in case your toilet has a severe blockage that requires manual force to unclog. If you don't have a plunger, you can unravel the wire hanger to look like a toilet snake. When the wire is straight, push one end to the blockage and prod the debris until it goes and the drain in your toilet unclog. Use plastic bottles. If you do not have the equipment mentioned above, worry no more, as you can use a plastic bottle to unclog your toilet by creating water pressure. The only issue with this unclogging alternative is that it could be really messy. When using a plastic bottle, you'll have to empty as much water as you can from the toilet bowl. You can use a small container to clear the water from your bowl and pour it into the bucket. The next step is to get warm water and fill the water in a large plastic bottle. Next, wear rubber gloves and place your thumb on top of the bottle. Place the bottle's top end into the toilet's outlet at the bottom. The last step is to unclog your toilet by first removing your thumb and squeezing the bottle inside the toilet to allow the water inside to shoot with pressure down the pipe. This pressure helps drain down whatever is clogging your toilet. So, there you have it. Unclogging your toilet can be pretty easy. And the best thing is that you can modify different tricks depending on what you have around the house to achieve the same results. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below. And leave a like on the video. Until next time.